surveillance.
Before they invent or make anything, the first question that you need to ask yourself is, can it hold a tracking dog?
Because it can. And then we'll put them all in everything. And we'll get people to put them underneath their skin so we can track them.
Yeah.
And we'll call it, let's call it digital ID. That'll be fun. That way we can cancel them at any time we like because they're all digital now, not real bits.
Yeah. Warralong.
Warralong Road. Warralong Road. Warralong. Warralong.
Hang on, it says
No.
that's it said 10k till we're there,
Yeah.
and yet that sign back there said 2k to
Yeah.
Collins at Gundagai.
Well, that's how close it is.
Really?
Yeah. Think you're doing 10k, but you're actually doing 2.
Dog on a Tuckerbox. See?
Dog on the Tuckerbox.
See? I told you.
Where's he? We're going to take a photo of him.
Yeah, well, you got to get off on the.
Tuckerbox Road.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
I took photos of it when I worked for the.
On the Tuckerbox.
See?
That's where we're
And
going to
it
go.
goes that way.
Okay, we'll go that way and we'll do it, eh? Let's do it. It'll be the first and last time we ever get to do something like this. So we'll do it.
Better be dog on the box. All of this way. Looks like it might be a service centre, and it is a service centre because that's where dog on Tuckerbox. No, just Tuckerbox.
See if we can get a photo of what we told them on
Route
Tuckerbox.
recalculation.
Yeah, shut.
Continue straight ahead.
Hurry, hurry, hurry. He's coming pretty bloody fast.
Slow down.
Make the next left.
Let's see if we can see the dog on the Tuckerbox. Let's see if we can see the Tuckerbox first.
Snake. Something.
Prepare to turn right after 550
Shut
meters.
up. See? Dog on it now.
Yeah. But maybe it's not. Maybe it is. Maybe it isn't. Haven't seen it. There it is. Just there. Photo just there.
Yeah.
It's just there. We'll go back and take. We'll go and take some photos.
Where is he?
Just back here. Oh, sorry. You can have a fraggaroonie. No? While we go over and have a look. While we go over and have a look.
While we?
Yeah, while we go and have a look. While we